6 reasons why you should immediately buy stainless steel wine glasses. Wines are so good. We cannot stress enough how a glass of Sauvignon Blanc or Champagne can ease a stressful day. We mostly use crystal wine glasses. But have you ever wondered how a stainless steel wine glass could enhance your drinking experience? Here are 6 reasons why you should hurry and invest in stainless steel wine glasses. Number 1. Great temperature retention. In contrast to other types of wine glasses, stainless steel is the most ideal when it comes to retaining the chilled red wine you would enjoy during a hot summer night. Another excellent point to consider is that stainless steel wine glasses come with proper vacuum insulation. This advantage helps keep wine cold for as long as 3 hours, making it ideal for camping in the outdoors or long garden parties under the sun. Number 2. High durability. Although steel can make quite the noise once dropped, a stainless steel wine glass is still a far better alternative to crystal wine glasses when it comes to breakage. This glassware variant is also puncture-resistant compared to plastic wine glasses that tend to leak if reused for a long time. Number 3. Safe to use. Food-grade stainless steel wine glasses are known for being resistant to oxidation and corrosion. Stainless steel wine glasses are constructed of 304 food-grade stainless steel that is safe for holding complex liquids like wine. Number 4. Affordable. When you're up and about the house and trying to get a sip of wine, breakage is unavoidable if you're clumsy. This makes stainless steel wine glasses less of a pull on your pocket strings when you have to replace a broken one. Number 5. Minimalist appeal. Stainless steel boasts a minimalist aesthetic that gives off a sleek and stylish look. Apart from the silver variant, this wine glass comes in several colors for those who want many options. Number 6. Eco-friendly. Stainless steel wine glasses reduce waste compared to keeping and reusing a plastic wine glass. Switching to a more sustainable replacement like stainless steel glassware helps create less carbon footprint on the planet. It also allows people to practice a zero-waste philosophy. Changing the way we consume our favorite wines would not cost us or even sacrifice their taste. Stainless steel wine glasses are the better option for gawky people, those who enjoy drinking outdoors, and folks who want to live more sustainably.